Forecasts suggest a significant disruption of the polar vortex in the northern hemisphere due to an unusually early sudden stratospheric warming (SSW) event. This disruption would weaken the polar vortex's ability to confine cold air near the poles, so the cold air is more likely to spill into mid-latitude regions, e.g., parts of the US and Canada, potentially shifting weather patterns toward colder, snowier conditions. The impacts are projected to show up in the latter part of November into December for North America. The article warns of a possible White Christmas scenario for some regions if the pattern evolves as expected. The article notes that while Europe may also be affected, the signal there is less certain at this stage. Magnifying glass tilted left what this means in practical terms. Regions across the US and Canada could see colder than normal temperatures, more frequent cold outbreaks, and increased chances of snow/ice through early winter if this pattern materializes. For people in mid-latitude zones, which covers a lot of North America, this means be prepared for early onset of winter-type weather, cold, snow, rather than waiting for the typical midwinter peak. Infrastructure stress could increase, heating demand, snow/ice removal, transport disruptions. If you're into weather forecasting or tracking, keep an eye on model updates because these kinds of large-scale pattern shifts are tricky and can change. For Europe, although the article points out weaker certainty, it's still wise to be alert for potential cold spells or unusual winter conditions. For regions far from the polar/mid-latitude interaction, e.g., tropics, equatorial zones, the direct impact may be limited, but global weather patterns shift, so indirect effects, jet stream changes, storm tracks may matter. Warning, caveats, and things to keep in mind. These are extended-range forecasts, weeks to months ahead. As with all long-range weather prediction, uncertainty is higher. Patterns may evolve differently than currently modeled. The article's source is a forecast-based piece. The implication is likely but not guaranteed. While the polar vortex disruption can lead to colder conditions, it doesn't mean everywhere will get extreme conditions. Local geography, ocean/land interactions, and other atmospheric factors still play big roles. The article mentions Europe's signal is weaker, which shows that impact varies significantly by region.